This video was recorded using the ETRM test environment, but the process is the same in the production environment. Shared data includes parameters and value tables that can be used by multiple measures in the ETRM. Only users with a System Administrator or CPUC Administrator account can add and maintain shared data. The process for creating and maintaining shared value tables is very similar to the process used for shared parameters. For this reason, we will only cover the process for shared parameters in this video. Please refer to the Create a Value Table video for additional information on creating value tables. To manage shared data, click the Administrator Central icon in the upper right corner of the screen. From here, you can choose to manage shared value tables or shared parameters. For this video, I'm going to choose Manage Shared Parameters. To create a new shared parameter, click the Create link in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Enter a name, description, and API name of the shared parameter, and choose the status of the parameter. If the parameter will not be synchronized with the CPUC support table, you can manually add a parameter label by clicking Labels, then click Add. Enter the name and the description of the label. Alternatively, labels can be populated by importing a CSV file, but only after the parameter has been saved. We'll cover this process a little bit later in the video. Finally, click Add to save the new parameter label. You can add references to the parameter by clicking References and selecting an appropriate reference. If the parameter will be synchronized nightly with the CPUC support table, click Synchronization and select the appropriate CPUC support table. Otherwise, make sure the synchronization setting is set to Do Not Automatically Synchronize. Click Save to save your changes. To update an existing shared parameter or to populate parameter labels using the Import CSV feature, click on the name of the parameter you'd like to update in the Manage Shared Parameters dialog. Then click View. Assign yourself to the parameter. Click Create a Draft from this version. Choose a release cycle, enter a change description, and click Create Draft. You are now working in an unpublished draft of this parameter. Click the Configure link on the right-hand side of the screen. If you'd like to jump straight to the label editing interface to edit the labels directly, click Edit Labels. Otherwise, click Edit Properties to enter the Parameter Properties dialog. Note that you cannot add or remove labels to parameters that are synchronized with CPUC support tables. Update the parameter as needed. And click Save to save your changes. To populate the labels using the Import CSV feature, you'll first need to export a CSV of the parameter. Return to the Parameter Properties dialog. Click Operations. Then click Export Parameter. Open the downloaded file and edit the labels and descriptions as needed. Save the file after you've finished editing it. Note that an imported CSV file will add labels to the existing parameter labels and will not replace the existing table with the contents of the file. Return to the ETRM operations interface. Click Import Parameter, then click Choose File. Select the edited CSV and click Open. Then click Begin Import. The updated parameter is now shown on the screen. To commit the updated version of the shared parameter, click the gear icon to the left of the status box and click Commit to Version. Enter a change description and the time spent and click Commit to Version. After all the appropriate review steps are completed, you are ready to publish the updated version of the shared parameter. Click the gear icon to the left of the status box and click Publish this version of the shared measure parameter. Confirm by clicking Yes, Publish, and the shared parameter is now published. Finally, don't forget to release your assignment of the shared parameter. Shared objects that are synchronized with the Dear database will have the in-sync symbol next to the object's name and can also be manually synchronized. To do this, click on the name of the shared object you'd like to manually synchronize. Click on the gear icon to the left of the status box, then click Synchronize Now. You will receive a notification that the synchronization is started and that an email will be sent to you with the results.